In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine your drives in Windows 11. So if you have two drives on your computer like this, a C drive and a D drive, I'm going to show you how we can merge these all into one. Now, the very first thing you need to do is just go and open up the Start menu. You can then go and search for the word partition and click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Now, you can see I currently have two different drives, the C drive and also the D drive here. Now, before you do this, you need to make sure that the data on the D drive is already backed up or moved across to your new drive. Now, we're going to be formatting this drive, so all of the data on this second drive is going to be removed. So all you need to do is go and right click on the D drive, click on Delete Volume, and as you can see, this will erase all of the data. Press yes, and then press yes again. You can then go and press yes, and now we should be left with this unallocated space. So now all we need to do is go and send this data back over to the C drive, and you can do that by right clicking on the C drive, click on Extend Volume, click on Next. Make sure you have your space allocated like this, and then go and press Next, and then press Finish. And as you can see, that's now been moved over to the C drive, and if I come back over to my computer, you can see that the two drives have now merged together. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.